Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix emo message not sending problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. After turn off flight mode, now go to settings. Go to settings and then scroll down. Go to apps option. Now find emo from the app list. Tap on emo apps. Now scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Now go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Open Play Store. Tap on search bar and search for emo. Now update your emo apps in latest version if available any update version. Now restart your phone. Just tap and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After following all steps, now go to emo. And see problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.